All right, so I ordered a motion sensor sprinkler. I've been having problems with cats, stray cats pooping on my grass. And sometimes, unfortunately, neighbors walk their dogs, drop a big load in my grass, and literally walk away. And I can see them on my Ring camera. So to avoid the neighborly problems, I ordered one of these. So it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, the housing with the motion sensor, a solar-powered cell to charge the batteries, and the sprinkler head itself. And what you want to do is you want to wrap up everything with, it comes with a tape to waterproof it. I put some on there, but I'm putting some more right now just because I don't want any leaks. And I found that if you wrap this from right to left, it's perfect, because then when you screw the stuff on, the tape doesn't come apart. So let's get started. There is a coupler here. First thing you do is insert the coupler in here and tighten the sprinkler. There you go. Any plier or crescent wrench will work. Next is attaching this to the housing. Make sure there's no tape inside the hole. All right. There we go. Turn the housing. There we go. And the cool thing is that if for some reason this is pointing one way and the sun is a different way, lift this up, turn it where you want, and drop it back down. All right. Next, you want to unplug the little gasket up here, plug in the power. Followed by the stake. Goes into the back here. Now this one does spin because it allows you to move the sprinkler head wherever you want. So make sure you get a good grip on this where you're putting this on, so you get a nice tight grip. Then once you stake it, you can move this around anywhere you want from here. All right, so that's the stake. Now I want to put the batteries in there. Now, on the top here, there is a kind of a valve. You want to pick this up by pushing down and then adjust this to give you distance. You don't want to wet the sidewalk, because if someone's walking by, that can get you in trouble. Put the cover in there. And there you go. Let's go install this. And then I'll see what my Ring camera captures, and we'll share it. But really good way to humanely get rid of people or letting their dogs poop on your grass, or stray cats from pooping on your grass. All right, so there we go. I'm able to walk on the sidewalk and the water's not reaching me. But anything that steps into the grass, stray dogs, stray cats, they're gonna get sprayed. Now, cats do not poop on my yard anymore. They simply go around it and they go do their business on, unfortunately, they go do their business on the neighbor's yard. So, at least for me, no more poop on my lawn from stray cats, coyotes, And sometimes people who are walking their dogs, they get scared from sprinklers and don't even go on my lawn. That said, for all you neighbors out there, whoever's neighbor you are, if you walk your dog or your cat or your pet, remember this. And I saw this on somebody's sign, which was cool. Your pets might be cute, but their shit on my lawn is not. So please pick up after yourselves and be a little courteous. Everyone else, if you don't want this, try this. I did buy some new water hoses just because mine were going, so I'll put links to everything I bought. This is not sponsored, so you don't have to buy this if you don't want. Buy whatever it is you need for your challenge, but this worked for me, so I hope it helps.